Hey everybody, Mermaid Faith here, and today I am coming to you from Hollywood Studios. And I have my best friend Amanda with me, hanging out. We're coming to try the new Muppets ride. Gonna see how it is. Gonna meet up with a few other people too. Going through security now. Amanda got flagged. She's gotta get her umbrella checked. She's not embarrassed at all. She loves getting attention like this. I have a few friends that have already ridden the Muppet ride because they have family members that are cast members out here. They say it's pretty fun. It's pretty much they just changed the decorations. They didn't change a whole lot about it. The music's different. We're gonna find out ourselves. Also, the security guard yelled at me for recording Mandy. He said, "No recording, please. No recording." He got really mad. She's been released. Yes, she passed the test. The umbrella was the culprit. As we come to the park, I noticed that there's this kind of dusty haze going on. I'm not sure why, but kind of behind me, I don't know if you can tell. Just seems like maybe they're doing some construction around here or something, and it's causing a little haze. Hollywood haze. Whew, getting toasty out here already. I think it's like 92 degrees. Good thing oh boy, got this fan. We met up with Becky, local Florida gal, and I got my popcorn that she's carrying for me since I gotta use my phone. I forgot my SD card for the good camera. Got a soda I gotta carry around now for the next 20 minutes. Better drink it quick. Waiting on Drew and Veronica to get here. Okay, we picked up Veronica and Drew, and we are on our way over to the Muppets Rock and Rollercoaster. Drew and Veronica said that there's a huge line to get in. It seems like all the annual pass holders are coming after work, and we think they're probably heading over there. 65-minute wait right now. We're going. We have made it to the beginning of the Rock and Rollercoaster area. This is not the ride. It's just something set up to look like it. We will not be coming out here outside. Check it out. They've got it all painted up Muppet style. Wacky. Amanda actually does not know if she's ever ridden this before. She says that if she did, it was a long time ago. 90s. In the 90s. So it was probably Aerosmith back then. I'm gonna keep a secret on what all that goes on inside in here. And she's just gonna have to find out. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So we have to come all the way over here, go in the villain's door to get to the end of the line for Muppets. All the way over there. Not sure how this is gonna go, but pretty weird. And now we're circling around this way. So it's just a really weird way to go. Oh, whoa, a little backstage view of the Hollywood Tower. Oh, getting yelled at for not moving. We finally made it over to this side of the line. They have it closed off, a little walkway, so people can get through, and we can still wait.
I think from the boardwalk, it's the white one that you open like this has
The Muppet Gang up here. Animals providing the soundtrack, it looks like. Getting closer, we're here by the giant piano. Show you a little bit of keys. Tickle those keys. Along the queue line here, they have some new posters talking about the animals. We got Sergeant Floyd Pepper. Calling all Mayheads. We finally made it inside. Into the artist entrance. Ooh. G-Force Records. There's Miss Piggy, the star of the show. Man. VIP. Got some Muppet relics over here from their tour, I think. The banjo, played by Kermit. Lips plays the trumpet. Janice, Zoot, Sergeant Floyd Pepper. I don't know why, I just love that name, Sergeant Floyd Pepper. Heading into G-Force Records into the studio. Got Kermie, Miss Piggy's Western wear.
Look at Scooter.
Hey, how's that sound? Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Hey, Bob.
Scooter?
Hey, what's happening? Rock.
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big
Look
show.
at these little
And you were
penguins.
on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Sam?
I will gladly stall with yet another recitation of the Federalist Papers. However, I do fear that, like the great patriots who threw tea into Boston Harbor, the audience is beginning to revolt.
I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced LIMO,
Hey,
actually.
how fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Woo-hoo! Okay, you should get going.
What about all of
You
them?
know how we feel about our band?
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
I love that idea.
Dude, get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
See you later.
We have the Employee of the Month over here, and it's Scooter every time. Getting excited, Amanda?
Very excited.
It's gonna be amazing.
Yes.
There's a few secrets about this roller coaster.
Oh, great.
Might blow your mind. The secret is it shoots off fast, but you can see it. Yeah. I couldn't keep the secret, guys. She saw it. She saw it happen. So the story is about the same as it was when Aerosmith was here. We're late for a show. We're the VIP backstage. We got to get there as soon as possible. We got a minute and a half, they said. We got to get there. Oh, squeakeasy. Those are miniature motorcycles. Everybody's excited. They're going to get to the concert before us. Going to get to the concert before us. It's a handy diagram for limo rider storage. We're going to be putting our bags in the floor. Hope we don't go upside down. It's time, Amanda. It's time. Here we go. We're ready to rock. Getting in. How the heck is it going to fall out? I hope it doesn't go upside down. We don't know if it goes upside down. gosh, that was really fun. Veronica just let me know that she's gonna have some bruises after that. Yes, she was holding up her camera. I was like, oh, it's crazy. You came out with no bruises, I hope. Okay.
Maybe my head.
Yeah. That was so fun the way it shoots you off. Yeah. So when you come out of the ride, they got the store here. Really cool decorations. Looks like all this speaker stuff, suitcases. Just really remind you of the Muppets band. These awesome Sam Eagle cups. Distinctly patriotic. Celebrating the semi-quincentennial. If you didn't know, Becky is the queen of hidden Mickeys, and she has discovered one. Bow, bow, bow. Hidden Mickey. If you ever want to know where the hidden Mickeys are, ask local Florida gal. Okay, Amanda made a purchase. Classic Muppet sticker. She's a big Muppets fan. She's seen Muppets Treasure Island many, many, many times. And I also noticed this really cool mug over here. Muppets Treasure Island right there. I showed it to her, but here's the downside. $27.99. Oh, but look.
Oh my gosh.
Got a Rizzo rat sitting on the bottom of it. You may think this is a one-way path. It's not. You gotta watch out for traffic.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Like how is that in the family?
All right, well, that's going to wrap it up for today. I got Amanda, Veronica in the moment, Drew in the moment, and Becky, local Florida gal. We had an awesome time tonight, and I had a great time. And that's all. That's all we got.